Welcome to a brand new series. We are going to be discussing God,
money, and sex.
and sex. That's the title of my latest book, and the subtitle is How to Understand and Master the Three Human Dilemmas. What we suggest to you is that there are three human dilemmas that plague all of us in today's world, and those dilemmas are
God, money, and sex.
God, money, and sex. It's it's inarguable, I should say, that our world is quite chaotic right now. And what has gotten us to this point? You know, I've been on the planet for 66 years, and Beersheba not quite as long, but not even close as long, actually. How many years?
43.
43 years.
I'm still a baby.
There's never been a time like this in my lifetime, particularly in America. Maybe similar.
I've experienced war.
In Iran, yeah. But not in America. And if you've been here the same or a smaller number of years as I have, then you know the same can be said by you as well. It appears that we're at war, not just globally, but internally, maybe more so internally. The real war that we are fighting is not with planes, drones, bombs, bioweapons, and guns. The true war we are fighting is what type of a war?
A spiritual war.
Describe what is a spiritual war.
A spiritual war is what we see going on in the world today. You got forces of darkness and forces of light going at each other.
The forces of good and evil are going head to head. And every great tradition has talked about it and predicted it. The book of Revelations, the book of Enoch, which was taken out of the Old Testament, the Gnostic traditions, most all of them have predicted this spiritual war. Mm-hmm. And what we suggest to you is that these are times in which we've been told about for thousands of years. And as I stated, has been predicted by all great spiritual traditions as well as prophets. Even Jesus talked about it. On the surface, it appears to be nation against nation, Democrat versus Republican, liberal versus conservative, capitalism and democracy versus Marxism and communism. Mm-hmm. But are these the real issues, Beersheba?
No, they're not.
They're not. These are the effects of something bigger, wider, and deeper. The actual war, as we already stated, is between good and evil, truth and lies. And you're being forced right now to make a choice. But the question is, once again, how did we get to this place in collective history? What brought us here? Well, throughout this series, we will suggest to you that at this point of arrival, the effect of what we're experiencing is by not understanding and mastering what we term the three major human dilemmas. And we're going to speak of this in detail in this series. We speak of it in great depth and detail in my latest book, God, Money, and Sex. And we highly encourage you to pick up a copy. It's not just a book, it's a blueprint for your own freedom and fulfillment. Mm-hmm. In the next several episodes, we'll discuss briefly these three dilemmas and, more importantly, how you can understand and master them to change your world and possibly change the entire world. So stay tuned. Thank you for a couple of moments of your day, and we'll see you in our next episode.
Bye.
God bless.